going to install the OEDRO floor liners in a 2015 Dodge Ram. These are really nice liners. If you're in any mud or anything, there's plenty of space to catch all the mud and all the water. So we're going to go ahead and install these in my 2015 Ram. So they will just go right inside and hook into your floor hooks. Just like that. And sit perfectly. They fit great. You can put the other one on the other side. My carpet is not that clean. Just like that. And see, they don't really move around too much. So they're going to stay put no matter where you go or what you're doing. And then the back piece is all one piece. So even if you have kids in the back, it's going to catch all the way across. You can see that. And fit perfect all the way through there. So, if we were to spill water or something, if one of the kids was to spill water in the car, it would all stay pooled up within this. It wouldn't hit the carpet or anything like that. So soda or water, mud, nothing would hit the carpet, and the carpet underneath would stay clean. These are great floor mats, and I'm extremely happy with them.